Hello students, welcome to Smart Technology. This video is about projection of plane. Okay students, so here given is what? A hexagonal plane of side 30 mm has an edge on the HP. Its surface is inclined 45 degree to the HP and the edge on which the plane rests inclined at 30 degree to the VP. Draw its projection. HP means horizontal plane, VP means vertical plane. Okay students, so here we can see this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. There are four quadrant, first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Okay, in our case this is the hexagonal plane. Okay, now students, here given is what? Hexagonal plane of side 30 mm. This side is given is 30 mm side. Okay, and edge on HP. This is the edge. This is the edge on HP. If surface is inclined 45 degree to the HP. Okay, this is the surface. This is the surface. Surface inclined at 45 degree to the HP. This is the horizontal plane and 45 degree to the HP. Surface max 45 degree to the HP and edge on which the plane rests inclined 30 degree to the HP. This is the edge. This edge makes a 30 degree to the VP. So first of all, what I have to do, students? You have to draw this hexagon such like this. This is the XY line and this is the complete hexagon. Then in elevation, you have to draw a 45 degree. This 45 degree surface max and 45 degree to the HP, and in plan we can see the 30 degree to the VP. Okay, so students, first of all you have to draw the hexagonal plane. So now, okay, here we can see this is the XY line and this is the point. From that point we have to draw a vertical line. Okay, hexagonal edge is given is 30, so we can tag any value. We can set that 2.5. okay, then 30, okay students. Now hexagonal makes an angle 120 degree from the edges of hexagonal. Okay, here you have to draw 30 mm line. Okay students, now again you have to take the 120 degree from this side, 30 mm line you have to draw. Okay, for rest of the purpose you can draw the arc. If you don't want to measure the angle, you can make the such kind of arc which will intersect to each other. Then okay students, so this is the hexagon. Okay, here you can give the name A, B, C, D, E and F. Now you have to make the projection. Okay, so these are the projection. Here we can write down A dash, B dash, C dash, F dash, D dash, E dash. Okay students, now surface makes an angle. Here we can say that 45 degree to the HP. So from this point you have to make an angle 45 degree. Okay, so students, here we can see this is what 53 mm. Okay, Okay, this is 53 mm. So surface makes an angle 45 degree to the HP. This is 53. Okay, here you can write down A dash 1, then B dash 1 and D dash 1 comma E dash 1. Okay, and this is the center 27.5. C dash 1 and F dash 1. Okay, now students, you have to take the vertical projection of it and horizontal projection of it. This is the horizontal projection. I hope all of you clear this thing. Now students, we have to take the vertical projection. Okay students, now you have to check what A1 dash and A dash intersection point is this, then B and B1 dash intersection point is this. So you can write down A1, this is B1, this is C1, C and C1 dash. Now this is D1, this is E1 and this is F1. Now you have to join all the points. Okay students, okay, now this angle is what? This is 45 degree, means surface inclined 45 degree to the HP. Now what you have to do students, you have to draw edge on which plane rests inclined 30 degree to the VP, draw its projection. Okay, so from this point we have to draw 30 degree to the VP. Okay, so here 10, 20, 30, this is 30. Okay, you can take any line. Okay, this is 30 degree to the VP. Okay, now students, okay, what you have to do, this hexagon plane you have to draw at here. Okay, for that purpose what you have to do, here you can see this. Okay, so approximately you can take start from here, and here we can see what is the edge is 30 mm. So this is 30 mm. Okay, this is 30 mm. Now here we can see the vertical line, so you have to draw the vertical line of it. Okay, what is the length of vertical line? Here we can see student, this is 35, 36, 37 and 38. So from this point you can draw the 38 line, 38 mm. This is also 38 mm. Now you can join. Okay, so students, here we can see this is the A, so you can write down A2, B2, and this is D2 and this is E2. Okay, now students, we have to find C and F. So here midpoint you have to find out, and you have to draw this line. And what is the distance of this distance is approximately is 14, so you can write down. Okay, from here you have to take 14, 10, and this is the 14. From here you can write down 10, and this is the 14. Now you have to join this. Okay students, so here you have to write down what? F2, and this is C2. Now you have to draw the vertical and horizontal projection. So student, this point, from each and every point you have to draw the vertical projection. Okay, now from here you have to draw the horizontal projection. Okay, now students, here you have to check A to A intersection is this, so you can write down A to dash. B to B, here we can say that it is B2 dash. C to C, this C and this C, it is C2 dash. Then D to D, here we can write down D2 dash. E to E, here we can write down E2 dash. Then F to F, here we can write down F2 dash. Here we can see A, B, C, D, E and F. You have to join this. This is the actual answer. Surface make at 45 degree to the HP, and H makes an angle 30 degree to the VP. This is the correct answer. Okay students, I hope all of you cleared this thing. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you students.